Howdy, y'all. My name's Z66, or Zakag, your underpaid, undertrained, undershirt mechanic, and welcome to my channel. I have quite a few different things I do on this channel, including car repair, which is a big chunk of it. I have a little bit of foreign and domestic that I do. Now, on this channel, we also have my initial reviews of devices and tools called Premature Evaluations. We have Tool Recovery, where I get old tools and bring them back to life and clean them up. We have Anatomy of Failure, where I go over why a part failed and I explain some of the issues. I've also done some financial information, including how to finance a gun through Bud's Gun Shop. Might be something interesting for everybody on this channel. And along with repairing an odd assortment of domestic and foreign cars, we also do a bit of cooking on this channel. And I hope you enjoy it. Be sure to take a moment to like, comment, subscribe, and keep an eye out. You never know what might be popping up. It might be something new that you like. That's all I got to say. You have a good one. Hello everyone, it's Z66, your undertrained and not ServSafe certified chef. I really had to stop from saying mechanic. Throwing me off. Anyway, so we've got a Member Mark pork roast with the Cuban inspired mojito, and it looks pretty good. So the recipe calls for 6 to 8 hours, temperature that you don't get salmonella, lots of big thing. It says about a half a cup of broth, but we're going to add more than that because, well, I'm a fan of more water, but also I'm going to got some questionable carrots and onions I'm going to throw in there too because I like these things. And also I got some tomatoes I'm going to throw in there for me and my fiance, who is now Cam girlfriend. See, Cam fiance. So, first things first, we're going to take our, well, as much room as we have. And, yeah, it might be hot. And I'm going to put about 2 cups in it. And it says you can use water or, I already chicken broth. Which I didn't really understand that one. Did it say chicken broth? Yeah, chicken broth. Would have think beef broth or pork broth, but no, chicken said it's fine. Apparently everything tastes like chicken or tastes better with chicken. Oh no. So we got some Good and Gather broth, which IU means that my fiance drives me to Target like all the time, and I have to buy this stuff. Even though it's Swanson's, but more expensive, but in a prettier packaging. I think I'm funny, Hannah. What about you? And I've got this on low. Alright. First things first, we're going to open up this roast. And it's already got all the seasoning, which is a bonus. Gotta manhandle this Mammer Jammer, and I honestly don't plan to add any more seasonings because it's probably good. And we're getting some drippings in there. Alright, we're going to pause the video. Let me clean up a little bit, then we're going to cut up some carrots. Alright everyone, so first thing first, I already washed off our little red potatoes. We're just going to dump them in there. Now the carrots are questionable, so we're going to go ahead and circumcise the carrots. And I know I'm using an unnecessarily large knife, but you know, life's more fun that way. So, let's get the peeler. I'm getting commentary from my production crew that it should be over in here. I think the production crew is wrong. I found the Emino dropper though. Ah, there we go. We found it. So, as we're ensuring the circumcision of the carrot, how are you doing today, person watching this video? Are you having a good day? Bad day? I paid my taxes today. I owed $1,300. So, you know, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe because God help me, they're going to bend me over again. And that ad revenue would surely help the situation. So we're going to be like, chop chop, chop chop, chop chop, chop chop, chop chop, choppy chop, chop chop. If you can see my fiance's face, it's a look of worry. Sorry. I mean, it's not the first time I've hit her in the face or something. Alright, so we've got our onion. Ooh, this one's trying to sprout on us real good. So we're going to use the bottom half. I do like a little onion to move. So, yeah, that there. And then, over here we've got this good slither. And I might add a little more fluid into it. But anyway, that's really about it, because this was a cool little thing I got from Sam's Club meat. And it only costs like 10 bucks. I have a Sam's Club and Costco membership because I'm super white. But, you know, places to go, things to find. Alright, so we're going to cook this. I'm going to get a little more fluid in it. Get that broth to soak it up. Raise the level so that other stuff gets cooked. And you can always use your excess broth. You should never be afraid of it, because you can always use this excess broth to make a soup base, which is something my mom does all the time. There we go. So that's probably about 3 cups of we put in. And if you're following it like you're supposed to, which, you know, I don't believe in following the rules so much on cooking, the half a cup would have done it. I would honestly put a little bit more because it's going to cook down. You don't necessarily want to burn the bottom of your roast. So maybe a cup. Alright, let's give it 6 hours and we're going to check it out. Thank you for being patient. We'll see you in a second. Alright, so this is the next day after I warmed this up some. And it smells super yummy. And the pork is very tender. Oh, that's good. It's really freaking good. But, yeah. This is a good recipe to make. Hope you enjoy it. And you don't have to season anything because it came pre-seasoned. Y'all have a good one. Bye-bye. Well, everyone, this is Z66, your undertrained, undershirt, and underpaid mechanic, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to like, subscribe, comment below, because tell your mama, tell your grandmother, tell your doctor, because I can't do this alone, and I can't pay for these Ray-Bans without your help. Thank you very much, and I hope you enjoyed this video. You have a good day now. Goodbye.